Okay, so let's move on. So we are going to start our first chapter. Okay. So before going to first chapter, let's discuss some basics. Okay. Now, can you tell me anyone that how you will see the object? What is the process to see the object? How it's
Light.
possible? Light. Okay. How it works? How it works? See, we can see an object when energy, or we can say light, is emitted from the object that enters into our eyes. ऐसी रोशनी, ऐसी एनर्जी जो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे पड़े और वो रिफ्लेक्ट करे हमारी आंखों पर, तभी हम वो ऑब्जेक्ट को हम देख पाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द लाइट. सो जस्ट राइट ऑन द स्टार्टिंग. डिड यू हैव अ नोट्स एवरीवन? क्लास वर्क विथ यू? Not getting any voice from your side. Okay, so just write on this line in the starting. We can see an object when light, or you can say any energy, is emitted from the object that enters into our eyes. Is it clear? तो कोई भी
So
ऑब्जेक्ट
one
देखने के लिए
more time repeat कर.
for seeing any object, we need a light, right? Around us, if you want to see any object, you need any energy like a light, which you can say that if you want to see a book in front of you, you need a light, right? If light is incident on the book, it is emitted from the object to your eyes. Then only you can see the object. Okay. So anything around us, if you want to see any object, you need a light, right? In the dark room, can you able to see any object? Example, if you example, the time is 2 a.m. in the midnight, the light is off, and you feel like you are hungry. So could you find any item in the dark room without any light?
No.
No. That's
No.
the thing. Because of that, we need a light anyhow. Okay, light energy, it's very must to our daily life to see any object. Okay. Now let's see the definition of light. We'll write the definition of light. Uh, what we can say the definition? We can say light is a form of energy which causes the sensation of vision. What we can say? Sensation of vision. ऐसी चीज जिसे हम दूसरी चीजों को हम देख सकते हैं. ओके, उसको हम कहेंगे लाइट. So please mute all. It's fine now. So I'm writing here definition. Write it down. It is a form of energy which causes the sensation of light, sensation of vision, which causes the sensation of vision. Okay, and what we'll do here, with the help of the light, what you can do, we can see the object. Is it clear? With the help of the light, what you will do, you can see any object. So we'll write here the help of light, we can see the any object. It's clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Now, what example you will give for the light? A best example. What is a basic example of light?
Sun, sir.
Sun. Very good. A basic example of light is sun. So we can write here the main source of light is the main source of, we can write light energy is sun. Okay. So with the help of sun, the sun is a very vast example around us with the example of light. Okay. Now I have a one question. Okay. Is light energy any material like electron, proton, or neutron? Or is it a particle or any wave? What do you will say? I'm writing here the question, you give me the answer. Okay. The question is light any material? This is our question. Like, an example I'm giving, electron, proton, neutron, any particle, or wave. What you will say? In which nature light will give? लाइट का क्या नेचर होता है बेटा? इज इट अ इलेक्ट्रॉन जो न्यूट्रॉन्स के सराउंडिंग फिरते हैं, प्रोटॉन्स पॉजिटिव आयन्स जैसे होते हैं, न्यूट्रॉन्स जो न्यूट्रल होते हैं, एनी पार्टिकल्स जो छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, या वेव जो वेव ट्रैवलिंग होती है, कौन से फॉर्म में, कौन सा मटेरियल होता है लाइट? Do they have any answers, students?
Sir, wave.
Okay. Sorry. Wave. Okay. Good answer. The light can be traveling in a wave. Next. See, students, there is a Newton's theory. Did you know the scientist Newton? Newton scientist, you know better. Did you know Newton scientist? It is having one theory. The theory name is corpuscular theory. We will discuss in the later. It mentions that the light is in a particle. Light किस में होता है? Particle. And there is another scientist, Huygens theory. There is another theory. This theory says wave theory. This theory is wave theory. So two scientists are given two different examples. One says the light in a particle. The second one says the light in a wave. Okay, so both are the correct one because of the light has both nature, particle nature as well as wave nature. So you can write the definition here. The light has both nature. What's the first one? Particle nature.
Particle
Second one, wave nature.
and wave.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया सबको लाइट का मतलब? Now we can write one more point here. I'm writing here. This is the first point, okay, of our question. Second point you can write. Light can exhibit light can exhibits many particles. Okay, सिर्फ particles में भी देखिए कैसा होता है, और we can say many properties. Particles में लिखेंगे light can exhibit many properties. अब properties के अंदर क्या आएगा? Like रिफ्लेक्शन, ठीक है, लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन भी होती है, डिफ्रैक्शन, आर पार भी होती है लाइट, पोलराइजेशन, और वी कैन से डिफ्रैक्शन. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो लाइट कैन एग्जिबिट मेनी प्रॉपर्टीज like reflection, refraction, polarization, or diffraction. Later in the further classes, we will discuss this all things. So till here, did you understand better about the light, students? Did you understand about the light? What's the meaning of light? What it has? In which way? What is the nature of the light? Did you? I'm unable to get better. Please give the answers, students. Aisha, did you understand? I'll ask one by one. Aisha, open the mic. Did you understand better? Aman, your voice is not proper. Just to check it out your mic. Usna Mahi, Suleiman,
Yes, sir.
did you understand better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohi Fatima, Sanya Begum, Juvelia, Talha, Hafsa.
Yes, sir, understand.
Okay. Very nice. Remaining are good. So write down this all thing better. Okay, now let's see the characteristics of lights. What are the characteristics of light? So the first point you can write, the light means it is a electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, it means the light can travel in vacuum also. In vacuum also. Okay? And in a medium. We'll discuss vacuum and medium, what is there later. So the first point of characteristics of light is it is a electromagnetic wave, we can say. Okay. So what is the meaning of electromagnetic wave? Means the light can travel in vacuum and in a medium. Okay. Like if you take the example of sound, sound can travel in a medium only, not in the vacuum. Okay. अब वैक्यूम किसको बोलेंगे? हम एयर को बोलेंगे, हवा को बोलेंगे. मीडियम वेव होता है. ठीक है. तो याद रखिएगा, लाइट कैन ट्रैवल इन एयर, इन वाटर, इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, हर जगह पे. ठीक है. बट साउंड ओनली कैन ट्रैवल इन अ मीडियम ओनली. So now let's see the second point, the speed of the light. The speed of light in vacuum. हवा के अंदर इसकी स्पीड क्या होती है? तो दैट इज 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay. If I say the speed of light in liquid, अगर कोई लिक्विड हो तो इसके अंदर स्पीड क्या होगी इसकी? तो दैट इज 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay. Please, who write this one? Clear it. Now, third one, एयर हो गया आपका, लिक्विड हो गया. नाउ क्या बचा? सॉलिड. So the speed of light in solid is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. If you compare this all three, what it will say? The conclusion, what will be the conclusion? The light is more fast compared in vacuum compared to solid and liquid. Right? समझ में आ गया बेटा यहाँ तक का पॉइंट? एवरीवन? हेलो.
Sir, can you explain one
Yes,
more
sir.
time?
See, light is an electromagnetic wave. It means that light can travel in vacuum in a medium, like in the air, light can travel easily. Okay. Now, the speed of light in vacuum, vacuum means in air, it will be the speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. When you compare, when you see the light in liquid, yeah, like in a water, the speed will decrease. It will be little bit slow, like 2.25 to 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Now, if you come to the solid, like example, if you take the ice or any solid object, so the speed or again decrease, it will move to the 2 only, 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It's a simple point. Understood here?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So later, 2-3 more points are there. We will talk tomorrow. Okay, students? So I'm stopping the class here.